just heavy.
It's David's first time to play snow. Finally, we have snow in Toronto. Doon na oh, tapos mag-slide na.
He's smiling.
I forgot the ano, yung stick doon sa ano.
Ay, maganda picture rin dyan. May video mo sana.
Hi, David!
More. Sabi na ka. Tulungan mo na kami,
What happened?
Ibangin mo na
What
siya.
happened? What happened? Kuya Kin push.
I'm gonna push you. You put your feet here and there. There, oh there. So that you can balance it.
More?
Okay, you stay there. I'm gonna heal out.
Kuya. Can I look at mommy? David.
I don't know. Gusto mo ito na.
Hindi kita kasi it's not enough snow. David, saan ka pupunta? The dog that was frustrated.